trying out a Hantek Coil-on plug probe on this car. It's got a BMW Mini engine, but it's a Citroen C3. And the image I get isn't bad, using this Unity. What I got here is the dwell period coming on, the kilovolts there, and the firing line, spark line coming off, and then I can see reserve coil oscillation at the end of it. This is cylinder 4 because these engines are kind of back to front. Timing chain end is cylinder 4. This one is the one that has the misfire fault code. This pattern looks the same on all the cylinders, but if I switch it to cylinder, try and stop this, and I can see it. There. See how in this case, I got the dwell time, so it's being controlled. I've got the firing line. The spark line is quite short, 2 milliseconds per division. So that's like literally a millisecond. It's not got a millisecond, probably even less, which is about right. That's about right. 1 to 1.5, I was told. But if you look there, there's no coil oscillation in reserve, so it's a weak coil, so it's breaking down under load. I just thought I'd share that with you. Seems quite quick and easy to use it. Thanks for watching.